Introduction to Exporting Learning Data.
Unlock a deeper understanding of your language learning progress by exporting your study data. Most language apps track your activities and results over time. By accessing this information, you can uncover insights and adjust your studying for better results. Let's walk through practical steps to extract your reports and use them for your personal growth.
Finding the data export feature.
Start by locating where your app stores your learning data. Common language platforms like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise provide options to export your statistics. Look in your profile or settings menu, searching for phrases such as progress report, data export, or download activity. If you can't find this, check the app's help or FAQ section for guidance.
Exporting your progress reports step by step.
To export your data, follow the on-screen instructions once you find the export option. You may be asked to choose a file type, such as CSV or PDF. Confirm your choice and download the file to your device. If your app emails the report, check your inbox, as the link may expire after a short time.
Reviewing and understanding your learning data.
Open your exported file using appropriate software, such as a spreadsheet for CSV files or a PDF reader. Look for trends in your completed lessons, time spent studying, and accuracy rates. Identifying strengths and areas needing attention can help tailor your future study sessions for more effective learning.
Tips for gaining insights and improving study habits.
Maximize your results with any language app. Compare progress over time, set realistic goals, and celebrate milestones. If your data reveals inconsistencies, adjust your routines or try new learning techniques. Taking control of this information empowers you to maximize your results with any language app.